What if I told you Motorola just put a 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside a phone that is less than 8 millimeters thin? I will let that sink in for a second. That is thinner than most phones with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and Motorola somehow doubled it. But the battery is honestly not even the most interesting part of this phone. Stick around because what they did with the camera is what nobody saw coming. Motorola has been on a roll lately, and the Edge 70 Fusion is shaping up to be one of the most talked about mid-range smartphones of the year. The leaks were everywhere, but now Motorola and Flipkart have officially confirmed the specs themselves. No more guessing. Let us start with the camera, because this is where Motorola is clearly trying to make a statement. The Edge 70 Fusion is coming with a 50 megapixel main camera powered by the Sony Lytia 710 sensor. Sony's Lytia sensors are the same technology used in high-end devices. More light, sharper detail, better low-light performance. Getting that in a mid-range phone is genuinely rare. Alongside the main camera, you are also getting a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens for those wide landscape shots, a macro camera for extreme close-ups, and a depth sensor to help with portrait mode photography. And on the front, Motorola has fitted a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is no joke for this price range. Now let us talk about that screen, because this is where things get really exciting. The Edge 70 Fusion features a 1.5K resolution quad curved display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. The 1.5K resolution sits between Full HD and Quad HD, meaning you are getting crisp, sharp visuals without draining the battery as fast as a higher resolution screen would. Quad curve means all four edges curve inward, the kind of borderless premium look you expect from a phone that costs twice as much. And the 144 Hz refresh rate means everything from scrolling through your feed to playing games will look incredibly smooth. Here's the part that is going to make a lot of people very happy. The Edge 70 Fusion is carrying a 7,000 milliamp hour battery. That number is enormous for a smartphone. We are talking about a phone that could potentially last you 2 full days on a single charge. And when it finally does die, 68 watt fast charging brings it back fast. And yes, the charger is actually in the box, something a lot of brands quietly stopped doing. The Edge 70 Fusion is officially coming in 3 Pantone-certified colorways: Pantone Silhouette, Pantone Blue Surf, and Pantone Country Air. All 3 feature a leather-inspired texture on the back, giving the phone a premium feel and better grip. Pantone is a globally trusted color standard, so these are not just names, they are carefully crafted color identities. The device also measures just 7.99 millimeters in thickness, which is impressively slim for a phone hiding that massive battery inside. Now here's the exciting part. Flipkart has confirmed that even more details about the Edge 70 Fusion will be revealed on March 2nd. The processor, pricing, and availability could all drop very soon. So here's the question that should be sitting in your mind right now. With all of this firepower packed into what appears to be a slim and stylish device, how is Motorola going to price this thing? Because if they get the pricing right, the Edge 70 Fusion could genuinely surprise a lot of people. March 2nd is going to be very revealing. Make sure you are subscribed and have notifications turned on, because the moment those details drop, we will have everything broken down for you right here.